All right, it's pizza time. We'll start with some bacon. All right, we got the bacon nice and spread around on there. Now for our second layer, another underrated pizza topping, ham. So meaty. We're just getting started. This thing is not even close to being done. Layer number 3 begins. All right, for you Supreme people out there, we gotta have our green bell peppers.
I like the red bell pepper, but they kind of all taste the same, I guess.
Well, today we like green.
Oh.
Lucky layer number 4. This might be the most popular layer for all you good American people out there. We're gonna have some classic pepperoni on this layer. Are you more a pepperoni person or?
Yeah. Out of all the meats, I like the pepperoni. Just
Would you rather
classic.
have a? Oh yeah. Would you rather have a pepperoni or a cheese pizza?
Probably pepperoni. Maybe half. Is that an answer?
All right, so there's our pepperoni layer. Moving right along, layer number 5. This might be one of my favorite, but some of y'all might not like this. We're gonna do some garlic. North, south, east, and west. That's how my dad showed me how to put it on there. That's not the only part of this layer. Also, we got some red onions. Don't you love red onions? Just lie to them.
I do.
Yay.
I mean, that is thick.
We ain't even there yet. All right, we've got our garlic and onion layer. It's gonna make your breath smell wonderful.
Yum.
Number 6.
Wow.
Just keep moving along. Now this might be my favorite pizza topping. Sausage. I know I said bacon, but the sausage. It's a toss-up between those two, honestly.
I feel like you're a meat lover.
I'm definitely a meat lovers. I mean, I love a good Supreme too, but I think overall I'm a meat lovers. And for our final layer.
Wow.
This part's for all the classic pizza lovers. This one's just gonna be a cheese. We're just gonna put a ton of extra mozzarella cheese on top. Do you love cheese as much as I do?
Oh, yeah. Wow, look at that.
Like I said, this is for you extra cheese lovers out there. You think that's enough cheese?
It might be.
All right, so let's take this baby over to the oven.
Oh my goodness.
You can put it right on the rack. We got the oven heated at 425. All right, let's check this baby out. Oh, woo! Look at that baby.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. This is really the ultimate pizza.
This is the biggest pizza I've ever seen.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Time to get a nice slice. Woohoo! Baby.
Look at all of that.
Crazy. Oh my gosh.
Yum.
Look at that. That's the ultimate pizza slice right there. Dang.
Looks so good.
I mean, if there's ultimate pizza, we gotta do ultimate pizza. Extra toppings. Got some Parmesan. Got some red pepper. Pretty special people with a little ranch on the side.
How are you gonna eat this?
My hands. Get a little ranch. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Is it good?
That's amazing.